Hello friends, this is Eden from Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking sweet and sour fish. Here are the ingredients. Fish. I don't have tilapia in my location, but this is similar to tilapia. Water, ketchup, carrots, green bell pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, red bell pepper, brown sugar, black pepper, salt, cornstarch, vinegar. We will be using cooking oil for frying the fish. And also you can check the proper measurement down below after finishing this video. Okay, let's start preparing. Okay, first let's prepare the sauce. This is our water. Vinegar, sugar, 3 tablespoons na ketchup, salt around half a teaspoon, cornstarch, let's dissolve it properly, especially the sugar. Okay, now let's set this aside. We'll be using that later. Okay, let's start frying the fish. First, I'll be using sunflower oil. Maglagay muna tayo ng oil dito para i-fry natin itong ating fish. Around 1 cup of oil. Dapat yung oil natin mainit siya. Okay, now lagay na natin yung ating fish. Siguro mga 5 minutes ang ating pagpa-fry ng fish natin, no? Until golden brown, crispy and tender on both sides. Okay, guys. Tingnan natin. Okay, I think it's done. Ito, kukuha na natin yung kanyang texture na crispy, no? Yung crispiness niya kasi yung crunchiness ng balat, yun ang hinahanap natin. Okay, lagay na natin siya sa ating paper towel to drain. Okay. Okay, now let's start sauteing our other ingredients. Let me put some oil here, around 1 tablespoon. Let's start with garlic. Ginger, until lightly brown. Okay. Lumalabas ng fragrant ng ginger. Now, we can add our julienne carrots. Red bell pepper. Sabay-sabay na po to. Green bell pepper. Onions. Beautiful colors. It's so festive. For about 30 seconds. Just stir constantly like this. Hanggang maging half cook lang siya. Huwag natin siyang i-overcook. Okay, now let's pour the sauce. Let's bring to boil and simmer for about 5 minutes. It depends. Kapag nag-thicken itong ating sauce, then we can turn it off. A little bit of ground black pepper. Okay, halo lang po siyang mabuting ganyan. Ito po, unti-unti nang lumalapot yung liquid, yung ating sauce. Okay, now, I will taste it. Baka kasi kulang pa ng asin. Oh my gosh. Tamang-tama lang po yung kanyang asin. Vinegar, ketchup, tamang-tama lang po. Okay, let's simmer for another maybe 2 minutes. Hanggang mag-thicken ng konti pa to. Yan, ginaganyan-ganyan lang. I-reduce natin ng konti itong ating liquid. Para lalo siyang masarap. Okay, I think it's done. There you go, guys. Ito yung ating sauce para doon sa ating fish. I-pour na lang natin to sa ating on top of our fish. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Happy cooking! Okay, ito po yung ating sauce. Ayan po ang ating finished product, sweet and sour fish.